Hello everyone, today we're looking at Teleporthq. This is a special platform made for building websites and digital interfaces. It's designed to help you create professional web pages using a visual editor that generates real code. The main part of the platform is the visual builder. It feels very similar to a design tool. You have a canvas where you can place text, shapes, and images exactly where you want them. You have full control over the look and feel of every element. While you're designing, the platform is writing the code for you. This means you do not have to worry about the technical details until you are ready to launch your project. Teleporthq also uses AI to help you work faster. If you have a rough idea drawn in a notebook, you can scan it and let the AI build the structure for you. This feature is perfect for starting a project quickly. It takes away the boring parts of setting up a layout and lets you focus on creative details. It makes the entire building process feel much more natural. When the design is finished, you get access to high-quality code. The platform supports popular frameworks that developers use every day. This is important because it means your website will be fast and reliable. You can take the code and put it anywhere. Or you can use the built-in host to get online immediately. It bridges the gap between a creative vision and a functional website. Collaboration is a huge part of the experience. Teams can jump into projects together to make edits and leave feedback. Since everything happens in real time, there's no need to send files back and forth. This keeps the workflow clean and simple for everyone involved. Teleporthq is a complete solution for modern web design. It offers the tools that you need to build, code, and publish your work in one place. It's simple, fast, and very effective. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.